Hi, I'm Josh Willis with Reattach. Today, I'm joined with Matthew from ABRA. He's our tech support guy. He's been here for a while. He handles a majority of the tech support here in the US and globally. And today we're gonna go over a lot of maintenance things that you guys are gonna have to take care of in your shop. We're gonna show you how easy it is to take care of these, and we'll explain how important it is to do them as well. First thing we're gonna do is take a 10mm socket, loosen up the dust collector hose and remove it. We're gonna put that out of our way. Then we're gonna remove the nozzle, put that out of our way, and then remove the laser. By removing the set screw on the bottom, we'll loosen up the laser. We can put that to the side. That gives us access to the head. We're gonna take channel locks, loosen up the lock nut, remove the lock nut, that removes the head. Then take your new head, and you're gonna do the same thing. Put the new head on, put the lock nut down, get it nice and snug by hand, then take the channel locks to tighten it up, holding the head in place. Once you're done, reattach the laser, put the lock nut on the bottom, make sure it's nice and snug. Reattach the nozzle. Keep in mind you'll have to adjust the set screw. Reattach your dust collector hose, making sure it's on nice and tight using that 10mm socket. And there you have it. We've removed and replaced the blasting head. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it helped. Hopefully the machine's up and running. If for whatever reason it hasn't solved your problem, please reach out to me or Matthew or any of our tech support people. And we're happy to walk you through it and get this thing resolved and get your machine up and running. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.